Good morning! Nadala ako, hindi ko muna ilalagay yung aking lens dito sa aking camera pagpunta ng supermarket. Kasi nga, nalalaglag. But anyway, supermarket lang naman yung pupuntahan namin. So, parang ang mga nagiging vlog ko guys ay lagi na lang grocery. Kasi nga, yun lang talaga yung chance ko makapag-vlog. Kasi the whole day, wala busy mag-alaga ng baby. So, parang ito lang. Ay, titingin ako ng ano pala. Vegetables. So, magsalang na ako ng damit ng aming baby guys para pagbalik namin, tapos na to. Lakas din niya kasi magdamit, alam mo yun. Parang wala, parang ready na natin ito guys. Ready ng aming baby. Hindi ko alam kung kaya niya ng 2 milk, pero 2 milk ang aking i-ready para sure. May araw tayo for today's video. Na naman ikaw? Uy, she's looking on the camera. You full? Huh? You happy? Hello. Hello. We're going out again. Yeah, daming Christmas decor.
You got your bike?
It was so bright for her.
I'm laughing.
Why?
I'm laughing.
Cause?
You know why I'm laughing?
Mm-hmm.
This is just like me.
What?
Playing in the moment.
Tignan natin to guys, kung real ba to. Fake pala, 12 pounds. Ang ganda to sa door. For the door.
You told you, didn't you? No looking up.
There.
Oh, it's a big trouble.
Yeah, but I cannot find you. I'm just about to call
Oh,
you
to
back.
change?
No, that's fine. We're not gonna buy a lot.
Yeah. That's what I thought.
And that is too deep
And
for
she's
her.
a little picture there.
Yeah. You can see her. I'm gonna look for plants. Bakit iniwanan ka dyan?
13 pounds
13? No beer.
instead of 18.
Tingin ako ng plants, guys. Maganda daw ang peace lily sa loob ng bahay at saka spider plant. Parang wala akong makita. Bibili ako ng halaman. Kahit, ito, peace lily. 4 pound. Medyo mahal pala. Siguro kasi kasama ang, pots. Gusto ko to. Bibili ako kay Mr. Ang liit lang niya. I'll look for better one. Parang ang liliit nitong peace lily na to, guys. Hindi nyo pala kita. Medyo mataas. Peace lily. Ano kaya? Kunti ng flowers. So, tayo medyo madaming flowers. Ito. Pwede na to. Medyo malago.
You don't want the red one?
Ha? I don't want that. It's gonna die after Christmas. Punset siya. You better get me the wala silang spy. Ito. Mahal, shucks. 7 pounds. Snake. Wala silang snake plants. Ang mahal lang spider. Maganda rin daw yan. Ang cute ng pots. Pots yata ang mabayaran mo rito. Peke. Wala akong makitang snake plants. Saan na kaya sila, mister? The toasted.
That's what we like.
Yeah. Brown, darkest.
Sorted?
Yeah, I think that's good enough.
Right, what else
Oh, you have to buy her cake for her 3 months.
What?
Cake.
For you?
for us.
For 3 months.
Yeah.
You could get a chocolate Swiss roll.
Bread with Listerine flavor.
No,
Oh, that's what they have. That's why, even I still have 1 pack.
Yeah, no, I know.
We have to get 1 because that's what I scared of. That's what I'm thinking. But if there's no available, if we really need it. Careful, there's a metal behind you. So parang ang gusto ko ay lotion. But they are quite expensive. Pero magtatagal naman kasi yan. Daily care. Calming daily care. About 650. Ito. So, bango nito, guys. She need it. It's winter. We have a dry skin. Mahal ang Christmas decor nila. 250. Ang cute. Dear. Pero mag-stick ako sa gold and silver. Ang cute naman. Ito. Soldiers. Ay, ang nice. 250 eh. Where is my lens? You think so? Not yet. Going to Aldi. Dito kami sa Sainsbury's, guys. Titingin lang kami ng kung ano-ano. Christmas decor, ganyan. Ikot-ikot. Ang lamig.
Come on, let's go.
I'm gonna look. Uy! Sobrang boring naman itong garlands na to, guys. Oh. 15. Ganda yung nandun. Oy, ang cute. Ay, babasagin. 3 pound. Kaso babasagin. Cute naman ito. She awake? Ha! Why is that? The forehead. Your forehead. Ate, may background music na naman. Sana hindi rinig ang ingay. Tayo dito guys sa mga baby stuff. Tagal ko na hindi nakapunta dito. Dito kami bumili kasi ng mga pang newborn. Naisip ko pumunta. Sabi ko kay Mr. medyo matagal-tagal na. Ang cute naman ito. Ang liit lang. 12 pounds. Parang gusto kong bumili ng ganito para paglalabas kami. Ganito siya. Parang ang liit. Hanap ako ni Mr. Ang kapal ay. Kapal. So thick. Wala akong makitang ganda. Pero hindi rin maganda. Ito parang hindi din. Ito. Sorry. Up tayo ng size niya. 6 to 9 months. 6 to 12. No, wasting money. Wasting. I like this. Oh, nice. It's cute. I like this 6 to 9 months. I like that. Oh, really?
Little sleeves like that. And these bubbles
It's nice.
on the sleeve. It was the colour of the one she had on the other day.
Ay, ang cute. But this is too warm for her. It's too warm. This is what I like. 3 to 6 months. I like this one. But I think this is 3 to 6 months. So every time we're going out, I'm just gonna put her inside. She doesn't need to wear lots of isang suotan lang. Because she don't have this winter weight. Do you think it's fit on her? 3 to 6 months after. Yeah, I like this.
Oh, she likes the dress.
Because it's black. So she can see it. Liit ng Christmas tree. Ano kaya ito? Tunay? Cute. $14.99. 15 pounds. They're nice. Melly?
You know what?
Melly screen wash?
You like it out.
Can you put it there? Thank you. Ouch. Ow. I'm gonna go back here. Ibang Aldi to guys. Medyo malayo to sa bahay. Tingin lang ako ng plants. Ang liliit naman ang kanilang plants. Ano ito yung corn? Ah? Ayan. Ito tayong corn. Bago yung kanilang corn. Spinach din. Yung spinach nila. Ako ng cucumber. Para mamaya, lunch. 90.90. Hello, she's awake. Hi. Patingin ikaw sa camera. Onion, ano ba tawag dito? Bean sprout. What are this? Ang liliit ng noodles. Ano ito? Luto na siya. Parang ano na guys, na boiled na. 1990. December 7. Ito na lang. So, magkano ito? Hindi ko makita. $2.19. Lamig. Ito na yung pinakamaganda. Ano to? Ang cute Christmas decor. Kuha tayo nito guys. Masarap to. Mint chocolate. $49. Uy! She's looking on the bread. It's cold there. Come here. Aray ko, bigat. We're home. We're home. We're home.
Staying in my car.
Huh? Ouch, ang init. It's already hot. Oh my goodness, I just turned it on.
How's it hot?
It's 50? No, I just turned on. That's why it's so hot. It's 200, not 50. Init. Pasok ako. Ang ganda guys ng aming nabiling coat. Para hindi ko na siya dinodoblehan ng kung ano-ano. So, pag may damit siya, ito na lang yung ipang-ano ko labas. Kinakain na ang kanyang kamay. Hello! You had milk in the car. Hi! She's so happy. Ay, nabasa. We're gonna wash that anyway. Wait. You're so chubby chicks.
Close the door. I was coming back to do it. I decided.
Oh? I burned my hand. Careful, it's hot, mister.
Yeah, you touched the element at the top, didn't you?
I think so.
You touched this.
Yeah. Ang init. Ang sakit. I'm gonna wash it before she wear it. We're gonna have rice, yeah?
You can do, or you can just have bread, whatever you fancy.
I want rice.
It's your cake.
If chicken, I want rice. Let's cook some rice.
Important thing.
What is the important?
Is your important item.
Oh, it's so expensive. Don't damage it.
No, that's what was expensive, and people steal it. Look,
So if someone steal it, it will alarm. She need this because I can tell that her legs
I
is
think
so
the
dry.
baby milk has it as well. Yeah.
Yeah, ang sakit. How they gonna
Steal that.
How they gonna steal that? That's too big.
Because they put it in the pushchair and walk out and forget to pay.
Like what you did with the brush. You remember we when we just entered the new shop.
So easy.
Good thing there's no sticker there. Aloka. Oh my god, it's
Well,
painful.
we say £5.64 at Aldi.
Morrison.
I mean, Morrison's not Aldi.
Mm-mm. Okay, I'm gonna do the grocery haul. What we got there? Ouch! Ang sakit! So we got grapes. This is from Morrison, isn't it? So Morrison, 2 grapes, milk, and this expensive lotion. It's $6.50, I think. Ang bango. Bumili ako nito kasi parang dry ang kaniyang skin. So she got a dry skin. That's what I noticed the other day, I think. Because it's winter now. Pasok tayo for today's video. And then the bread from Aldi.
Turn that over in the toilet for now.
Where's my receipt?
Just wait out the way.
Okay. Toilet
It's
roll.
looking down after.
Let me check how much are they. No, this is the Sainsbury's. 14 pala yung kaniyang.
Of course you need.
Hmm?
I get all the cereals I need.
I don't know your cereals because
No, I should have got 2 chocolates.
ang sakit. You can get a cone tomorrow.
Yeah. It's, for some reason, I've got the wrong. I knew there was something else I needed. When I was getting them, I thought, do I need the honey nuts?
So what you got then?
I got, and with no cinnamon,
Yeah.
yeah. I knew we'd want wheats. I knew we'd want cinnamon. So I thought, right, we'll get 2 of those because they're going to move
So
over.
it's nice. You can eat this. Sarap to, mint chocolate. Traffic lights. Hello? Ay, don't eat that banana. I'm gonna make that banana bread. 51.66
Yeah.
spinach. It's nice to
I
have.
need scissors or knife. To open this.
You have to open this for me, mister. Got a coconut. It says there 99p. You want mama? What's on your face?
Okay, try, see if you like.
Wait a moment. Someone is not happy. She's losing her patience. I haven't washed my hands. Ay! I'm sorry. Oops. Hi guys. Say hi ikaw. Hi guys. Ano na naman ito kala? Huwag niyong pansinin to guys. Gagawin ko itong banana bread. Tingnan natin yan dyan. Ang dede mo dito. Tanggalin natin tong pan na ito guys. Pasira. Okay, so let's do the grocery haul again. So, tayo mag-grocery haul, guys. Daming resibo ni Mister. So, ito lang guys ang binili namin sa Sainsbury's. Ito lang din talaga yung gusto kong puntahan dun. Kasi yung ibang baby clothes nila dun is maganda talaga. So, para pagkaalis kami, So, isang layer lang siya. Tapos, ito na. Kasi medyo makapal din to. Yung isa kasi, pang winter talaga. And then, sobrang kapal niya. Pero, pag nasa loob kami ng establishment, masyado na siyang mabanas. Kasi nga, sobrang kapal. Parang pang outdoor siya. Kaya, kumuha ako ng ganito. So, ito ay 3 to 6 months. And then, parang 14 pounds. So, ayan. Lalaban ko muna. Tanggalin ko na pala yung mga sticker. Tsaka gupitin na natin. Sayang hindi ko na isabay sa paglalaba ko. Naglaba na kasi ako. Pero hindi pa naman kami aalis. Kaya hindi rush na labhan. So, gupitin natin. So, yan. Lagay na natin ito sa labahan. Then, ano bang binili namin sa Morrison? Ito, bumili kami ng... So, ito lang guys ang binili namin sa Morrison. Plants. Ang mahal ng plants. 4 pound. Peace lily. Maganda daw kasi ito. Sa absorb ng moist inside the house. Kaya kumuha ako. So, papalitan ko siguro yung pots kasi medyo may malaki ako doon. Lalagay ko to sa sala. Ang liit nung version nung kanyang pagka-peace lily. Okay na yan. Maliit lang naman ang aming bahay. So, 4 pound yan. Then, bumili si Mr. ng grapes. So, 2 for 3 pound to sa Morrison. And then, milk. Dadalwa na yung nandun. Kaya kahit may isang pack pa kami, sabi ko kay Mr. bili na kami ng milk. So, ito ay 12.50. Tama ba? 12.50 pa din. Oo, 12.50 pa rin yung kanyang milk na 1.2 kilograms. And then, Aveeno na baby lotion. Kasi parang nagdadry yung kanyang skin. Kasi nga, winter na. So, ito ay 6.50. Medyo mahal. Naglulukuhan nga kami ni Mr. Ang mahal. And then, ano pa bang binili namin sa Morrison? Toothpaste. Bumili din pala siya ng toothpaste. So, ang binili natin guys sa Aldi ay chicken fillet. Yung breast yun. So, ito guys ay 4.49. So, 4 pound and 49 pence. Tapos, itong diced beef. 350 grams. 3.99. So, halos 4 pound na rin siya. And then, milk. Nasaan ang milk ni Mr.? Tingnan natin yung milk ni Mr. So, ito guys, ang milk ni Mr. ay, nasaan na? 2.2 liters for 1.45. Potatoes. Nasaan ang ating potatoes? So, 4 pieces lang tong potatoes na to. 0.79. Hindi ako bumili ng madami kasi parang nasisira lang siya. Hindi naman laging nagamit ng potatoes. And then, sunflower oil. So, ang sunflower oil na binili namin ay for frying lang naman ito. Madalas ko ginagamit. 1 liter for 1.99. And then, smoked fish yung mackerel. Saan na? So, ito guys, 4 pieces smoked fish. Lasa itong tinapa. Ganyan ang itsura niya. Yan. So, ito ay 2.19. Next, evaporated milk. So, ang ating evaporated milk ay 0.49. Ay, 0.59 pala. 0.59p. And then, chili carne. Ito, gusto ni Mr. Minced beef. Ang sakit ng paso ko. So, ito ay 1.89 pala to. Ang lamig. So, ito guys, kamote, sweet potato, 0.69. So, kumuha ako ng Cadbury Nut World. Ang isang piraso nito ay 1.45 and then 5 pieces na siya. Maliliit nga lang siya. Parang sinlaki lang siya ng daliri or hinlalaki. So, 3 pack yung kinuha ko. Lagyan natin yan dyan. So, ang asparagus ay 1.43. Ganito yung asparagus, guys. Masarap kasi ito pang partner sa mga fried. So, ayan. So, So, ito guys, egg ay 2.35. Medium size na ay 12 pieces na to. So, ang bean sprout, itong bean sprout na to ay 75p. After 8 pala to. So, ito yung chocolate guys. After 8 palang tawag dito. Mint chocolate to, masarap. Ito ay 2.49. I think that's it. Buttercross spinach. 59? Yeah, 0.59. Not that much, isn't it? It's so painful. So, yan lang guys, ang aming napamili lahat. Tignan natin mamaya sa resibo kung magkano yung total. So, ayan lang siya. Parang 51 sa Aldi. Tingnan ko nga sa resibo. So, ito sa Aldi ay 51.66. And then sa Morrison, saan na ating Morrison? So, sa Morrison naman guys is 41.40 ang aming napamili. And then sa Sainsbury's, damit lang, 14 pounds. So, yun lang. Hindi na kami nagpunta pa sa ibang shops. So, yan lang yung lahat. Hindi kami masyadong bumibili ng wet goods. Like chicken, fish, pork, and beef. Kasi, hindi naman namin nauubos yung mga nasa freezer. So, kung ano lang yung wala, yun lang yung binibili namin. So, dahil nga guys, marami pa kaming chicken and pork sa ref, sa freezer. Hindi na muna kami bumili ng pork, tsaka minced pork, tsaka minced beef. Kung ano lang talaga yung wala. So, bumili din pala kami guys ng toilet paper. Sa Aldi kami bumibili kasi yung brand ng Aldi ang gusto ko. Share ko lang pala guys. Ang aming baby kasi ay 3 months na. So, bumili kami ng ganitong cake. Maliit lang naman siya. Wala, para lang picture-picture. Kailan ba siya mag-5? Sa Friday. Isin natin tong chicken na to, guys. Kagabi pala, may na naman. So, kagabi pala, guys, may sumipa na naman ang aming pintuan. Sabi ko kay Mr. O, may sumipa na naman ang pintuan mo. Tapos, sinilip niya, may mga bata na naman daw na naglalaro. Tapos, parang sinilip niya doon sa kabilang side ng bahay namin. Pasaway talaga mga bata. Nakita. Patagoma.
Nothing.
No, it's not the juice. It's the meat. Gonna make it oil.
No, but there's no juice. Oh, it's coming.
Have. Pak po nakapag-ayos ng guys, grocery. Kain muna
The
kami.
juice before I...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Does that need to be in the fridge? The cake? Not really. Where did you get that from? Not in the fridge, isn't it? Just on the...
I thought I couldn't see it. I thought, where's that gone? It's not where I put it. Because Mama moved it.
No, it's just there also.
See, you moved it.
One step. So, yeah, I'm gonna change. Ito. Ay, why you're dying? You are not allowed to die. You need to grow old.
So I'm making tea, but there's enough water if you want one.
Namatay na tong
You
isa,
said no.
guys. It's dead.
Still dripping.
I'm gonna change the pot. Someone is losing her patient.
No, coming.
So, itong isa. Tanggalin natin ang kaniyang plastic. Pagkaliit naman ang kaniyang paso, oh. Mas malaki pa yung paso nitong isa. Upitin natin itong plastic. Malago kasi siya, guys. Kaya bagay siya dito sa paso ko na white. Ito, yung binili ko sa IKEA. So, alisin natin to. Parang maliit na variety ng pistili. So, ayan. It's nice naman. Ang gaan. Kailangan to ng dilig. Tuyot. So, diligan natin. Ang ganda niya, guys. Bagay yung paso. I just want to transfer this in a bigger pot. You want me? Oh, it's
I
nice.
think someone might be hungry.
Hungry again?
I think so.
You hungry again? And this one will get... Oh,
Either hungry or
no.
tired, I'm not sure which.
Ang liit. Look at that. It's big. Hindi siya bagay. Where is my other pot? Ang aking isa pang paso. May insect. So, ito, bagay ito dito ulit. Yan. And then, I think this one can get in there. Hindi din. So, ginupit ko siya, guys, para lang kumasya. Ayan. O, bagay. Cute.